In this video, we're going to learn how to lock and unlock tracks, which means protecting clips on a track so they can't be changed accidentally. This is very useful when you're working on a busy timeline. Let's start. Look at the left side of the timeline where all your video and audio tracks are listed. Next to each track, you'll see a lock icon. To lock a track, simply click the lock icon on that track. Once locked, all clips on that track are protected. You won't be able to move the clips, trim them, delete them, apply changes accidentally. To unlock the track, just click the lock icon again. The track becomes editable immediately. You can lock video tracks, audio tracks, multiple tracks at the same time. Locking tracks does not affect playback. The video and audio still play normally. It only prevents editing. And that's it. You now know how to lock and unlock tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.